But when you will not use these idioms in your speaking, then definitely you will forget after some days. Maybe after 1 week, they will washed away from your brain.
I have observed like little children have more ability to adopt any hobby. But when it comes to like elder person, like
Mm,
me, my parents, it is very difficult to adopt new hobby. Am
yes,
I right?
yes, yes, you are right. And we have to be very, sometimes we do it reluctantly because,
Hmm.
we don't want to do it, but we know it's useful for us. But children are very small, so we can
Yeah, and I
influence.
think they are very, they have free mind also. They have no responsibilities. They are just, going to school, and after that, after come back, they are watching some cartoons, and again they are doing their school homework. But being a parent, I think there are so many responsibilities
Yes,
on our shoulder. So I think it can be a reason.
yes. It's very. Actually, I'm taking session after 3 days, and I'm feeling like that I'm not able to speak. I forgot
Yes,
this thing
that's why
happened.
I am asking. Like children are, very easily adapt anything. But when it comes to elder, it is difficult, quite difficult. I have observed.
Yes,
If you
yes,
are not doing daily practice, and if you are coming after 2 days, 3 days, you are feeling okay. I'm speaking correctly or not. We are always, fear. My speech is going right or not.
yes. At this time, I'm feeling like it because I'm taking session after 3 time. Na, I didn't
Mm-hmm.
speak a single word in English for last 3 days. So now I'm
Mm-hmm.
feeling that words are not coming, automatically to my mouth. It's true, it's very difficult when you stop practicing the things. It's very difficult for you to get back.
Hmm. And when we are cultivating a new habit, there are so many benefits also. Do you know?
Yes,
So, can you tell me?
yes. If we want to cultivate any habit, then you will get progress in your life.
Hmm.
You will
Hmm.
learn something new, and you will become punctual,
Yes.
and you will get mature, and you can uh, tell these all things to your kids. If you will be
Yes.
punctual, you will be serious about your things, then definitely you will make your kids like you. But if you will be lazy and
Hmm.
you don't like to do anything, then children learn from their parents.
Yes. And if we are learning on this age, I think sometime we are learning some good thing also. And there are some problems in the old age, like they are forgetting something because they are some old. I'm not saying all the old person are the same, but some old person, after retirement, they are just sitting in their home. They are just moving here and there. I think they should engage some work like gardening, some other work.
Yes,
Not only the, like we are learning English. No, there are so many skills they can develop, like gardening, cooking, so many things. But some old person, some senior citizen, they, sometimes they are just thinking, okay, we have done so many work in our life. Now it's the time for our relief.
yes, you are right. Because
Yes.
I went for vacations in village in Himachal Pradesh. So the life is very different because I have seen that the old people, they are going to their gardens and they are doing
Hmm.
gardening. They are going to their farms. Ladies are making pickles, chutneys, and
Hmm.
all things they are doing, in their
Yes.
free time. And yes, but in cities there is different culture. We don't want to do more physical activity. I feel that.
Because in the city there are so many amenities.
Yes, and this is the reason why people are falling sick. they are falling
Hmm.
more sick, and there is a survey that is showing that most of the people in India, they are not doing physical hard work. They don't want to do physical work.
Hmm. Yes. Like they are going for outside just for a little work. They are using their bikes. Sometimes they are using car also. But I think they should go that destination by foot.
Yes, yes. We although we want to go nearby shop, then we
Hmm.
don't walk. We commute on our scooty, or these
Yes,
things.
yes.
So we can walk, but we don't want to move.
In the city, it is very common. Like if you are going for taking vegetables, buying vegetables,
Yes,
you are just taking your scooty, and I think within 5 minutes you are at the shop. But it's my opinion, you should go on by your foot, because I am also practicing this kind of thing. I don't know how to drive the scooty, so I'm just going by walk.
that's very good because I tried to learn scooty, but first time when I went outside market, and I hit that scooty somewhere, and I how to say कि मेरा accident हो गया था, how to say this in English?
Then I met an accident.
Yes, then I met an accident, and after that I never tried to do it again. I never tried
Hmm.
it. Yes, if I want to go nearby shops, then I also go by walk only, on foot.
I think it's a good way if we are using, like we are going by walk. It's a good thing. But I have seen in my surrounding also they are using scooty, bicycle, so many things. Yes.
Yes, yes.
So are you want to sharing any good words or idioms, phrases, anything? Do you want to share?
Actually, there is my notebook. I have written many, but
No,
okay,
no, without notebook. Without
okay,
notebook.
okay, I will try because today na, I'm taking session after 3 days na. It's feeling like I forget everything. I feeling like this way.
It's okay, it's okay. It is not a big deal. Okay, now I'm telling you one idiom like break the ice. Have you heard this?
Yes, yes. Break the ice mean break the silence.
Yes, yes, yes. Break the silence. Like if you are sitting, I think 5 or 6 ladies, and no one is speaking, that time you will decide, okay, finally I will break the ice. I will break the silence.
Yes,
Am I
yes,
right?
yes,
And my
yes. I
next idiom is yes. I'm just sharing. I'm not asking to you. If you got
okay,
remember, then you can tell me. Okay. My
okay, okay.
second is break a leg.
Best of luck. Break a
Yes,
leg.
it is the
Yes,
another way to say giving some wishing for victory.
yes. Break a leg. Okay,
Yes,
and
and third is yes, yes.
I'm remembering. I'm I'm on cloud 9 when you
Yes,
are very
yes.
when you are very
Hmm.
happy. You can say I'm on cloud 9.
Yes, and the fourth one is every cloud has a silver lining. I
Okay.
think you have heard.
No, I did not hear it. What does it mean?
You should be optimistic. Like
Oh,
if yes, in every situation you should be optimistic. That
oh,
time we can use this idiom.
okay, okay.
Like
And there is
you, like
idiom. The ball is in your court.
yes, yes. Now it's your decision. Now it's your decision.
Yeah, now
It
it's
is the
your
mean.
yes, the ball is in your court. But
Yes.
when we try to speak in English, so we are not able to use these idioms because at
Hmm.
that time our mind is not at, so much used to use these idioms.
But if we are using these idioms in our video, I'm not saying you should use 10 idioms, two
Hmm.
idioms, three idioms. I think it's enough. because there is action like repeating action. If you are sharing this idiom with three-person on audio call, on video call, it is a simple way to learn any idiom, any word.
Yes, yes, you are right.
This is the my technique because
Oh,
I'm repeating this thing. I think third time I'm repeating this.
yes, yes,
Yes. Any other
yes. So,
idiom? Have you remembered?
yes, yes, I'm remembering, but it's not coming to my mind.
So now I'm sharing spill the beans.
Yes, spill the beans mean I heard this, but I just forgot the meaning.
It's okay to reveal a secret.
Okay, okay, to
Sometimes
reveal.
it is done. Sometimes it is done accidentally, and sometimes it is done intentionally.
There is a one more idiom related to this. Let the cat out of the
Let the
bag.
cat out of the bag. They have
Yeah,
same meaning. They
yeah.
have
This.
same meaning.
Yes.
Yes.
And there is one more idiom that I heard many times that most of the native speakers use. You are full of beans. You are
You
full
mean
of
you are full of energy.
energy. Yes, yes,
Yes.
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 I heard this idiom.
So if you are using like two or three idioms in your conversation, like I am
Mm.
sharing, you are also sharing. This is a simple way to learn any idiom, any phrase, any difficult word.
Yes, yes. Because when we stop using it, na, then we will forget. Definitely, we will
Yes,
forget. Yes,
yes. And in the audio call, video call, you should repeat again and again. This is a simple way to learn. But if you are
yes,
writing on a notebook and after some time, definitely you will forget.
yes, yes. Then I will definitely forget.
And another idiom, not idiom, it's a, I think, idiomatic expression. Night
Mhm.
owl. Have you heard
Night.
this? Night owl. Owl.
Who do not sleep at night, who always
Yes.
stay up at night.
Who are very active in the night time.
Yes, yes. Night
That
owl.
time we can use this word for that kind of person, night owl.
But now I'm remembering one more homebody. I'm a homebody.
Homebody. It means like who are very fond of to living in their home. They are not any will to go outside.
Yes, yes, who love to stay only at home. They
Yes.
don't want to go outside. That is for. And one is morning person. I am a morning person, means I get up early in the morning.
Yes. Any
Yes.
other information you can share?
Just when you are sharing something, so sometimes some things are hitting my mind. So that's
Hmm.
time I'm recalling and I'm sharing you.
Caught by red-handed.
Mean when someone caught on the time of that incident.
Yes. When like they are something they are stealing, and that
Yes,
time they caught by some person.
yes, yes.
Yes.
Caught by red-handed means range haathon pakadna.
Yes. It is a Hindi idiom also. Range haathon pakadna.
Yes.
Hmm. Any other? Do you have?
Burn the midnight oil.
Oh, it
Burn the
means do hard work.
do hard work. Yes.
Sometimes some person are studying in whole night. That time we can use this idiom.
Yes, yes. For example, some person has achieved something like he became a doctor. So we can say that he burnt the midnight oil to reach
Hmm.
this level.
Yes, yes. So this is a simple technique to learn any vocabulary, any idiom and phrase. This is a simple technique. You should again and again share. And I
Yes, yes.
think after two or three sharing, definitely it will be learned by you.
Yes, definitely. Sometime at that time we feel that we will never going to forget these idioms. But when you will not use these idioms in your speaking, then definitely you will forget after some days. Maybe after 1 week, they will washed away from your brain.
But now I have cultivated this habit.
That's
Again and again, I am repeating.
okay.
And there is a very famous idiom, raining cats and dogs, I think.
Yes, yes. You know what? Tomorrow, it has been raining since tomorrow. So I was also thinking at that time, it is raining like cats and dogs. Means heavy raining.
Hmm. And another one is under the weather.
Yes, under the weather means if someone is not feeling well, uh,
I think
he,
we have today discussed 10 idioms.
yes,
So I can say it's a simple way to learn.
yes,
If
yes,
we are sharing our idioms, any difficult words, so that we can, learn these things.
yes.
But if we are just simply note down in our notebooks, after
Uh-huh.
some time, definitely we will forget.